Welcome to Amabestchoice.com. In this video, we're unveiling the top 5 best stand mixers on Amazon. Hand-picked to transform your kitchen into a baking haven. From powerful motors to sleek designs, we've got the ultimate mixers that cater to all your culinary needs.
Number 1.
The Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer is an absolute game changer in the world of stand mixers. With a design that mirrors the renowned KitchenAid mixers, it doesn't just mimic, it excels. Its 300-watt motor effortlessly handles thick batters and doughs, making breads, cookies, and more a breeze. The 4-quart stainless steel bowl ensures complete mixing without any scraping, thanks to its planetary mixing action. What sets it apart is its versatility. Equipped with a splash guard, dough hook, whisk, and flat beater, it adapts to various recipes with ease. The 7-speed settings, coupled with a handy mixing guide, grant precise control for different mixing methods. This mixer isn't just a rival to the KitchenAid, it's a standout performer in its own right. Offering exceptional performance, convenience, and results that elevate your baking endeavors.
Number 2.
The KitchenAid Classic Stand Mixer is an unrivaled powerhouse in the realm of stand mixers. Its solid metal construction and 59 touchpoints around the bowl ensure impeccable mixing results with durability that lasts. The 4.5-quart stainless steel bowl allows for sizable batches, whipping up to 8 dozen cookies in one go. While its dishwasher-safe design adds convenience to cleanup. The tilt head design offers easy ingredient addition and optimal bowl access during mixing. With 10 speeds catering to various tasks, from gentle stirring to intense cream whipping. This mixer guarantees thorough ingredient incorporation every time. Its versatility extends further with over 10 attachments, sold separately, empowering users to create an array of culinary delights. From fresh pasta to burgers, veggie noodles, ice cream, and more. The included accessories, including the stainless steel bowl, coated flat beater, dough hook, and 6-wire whip, ensure immediate utility upon purchase. This KitchenAid model is undoubtedly a game changer, combining durability, functionality, and versatility to elevate culinary experiences to new heights.
Number 3.
The Aucma Stand Mixer stands out as a top-tier choice among stand mixers. Boasting a combination of power, versatility, and convenience that makes it a kitchen essential. Its 660 watts high-performance copper motor ensures efficient mixing across 6 optimized speeds, providing the flexibility needed for various recipes. The 6.5 QT stainless steel bowl, complete with handles for easy maneuvering, caters to large batch needs for cakes, breads, cookies, and more. The tilt head design simplifies bowl and accessory handling, while the sleek stainless steel exterior, accented by a blue LED power indicator, adds a modern touch to any kitchen. With multiple attachments, whisk, dough hook, and mixing beater, alongside a splash guard for mess-free ingredient additions, this mixer covers all bases. Its durability and thoughtful design make it an ideal gift option for any occasion. Overall, the Aucma Stand Mixer delivers an impressive balance of functionality and style, elevating it as a standout among its counterparts.
Number 4.
The Commercial Chef Electric Stand Mixer proves to be a standout choice among its counterparts. Offering an impressive capacity of 4.7 quarts within its dishwasher-safe brushed stainless steel bowl. Its versatility shines through the 7-speed settings, catering to various recipes with precision. Whether it's crafting delicate cake batters or kneading dough for artisanal bread, safety measures are paramount with the inclusion of a 15-minute auto-stop timer and anti-slip feet, ensuring stability during operation. The comprehensive accessories, including a dough hook, beater, whisk, and splash guard, elevate the mixing experience, delivering the desired texture and cleanliness. The tilt head design further amplifies convenience, simplifying attachment changes and effortless bowl removal. For a seamless and efficient baking journey, the Commercial Chef Electric Stand Mixer stands as an excellent choice. Offering a blend of capacity, functionality, and safety in one reliable appliance for any kitchen.
Number 5.
The Cuisinart Stand Mixer is a powerhouse, marrying superior function with must-have features, making it a top contender among stand mixers. Its 5.5-quart capacity and robust 500-watt motor ensure it tackles any culinary task with precision and ease. The die-cast metal construction speaks to its durability. while the 12-speed settings offer nuanced control for diverse recipes. This mixer comes equipped with essential attachments: a chef's whisk, dough hook, flat mixing paddle, and a convenient splash guard with a pour spout, all housed within a polished stainless steel bowl. The option to expand its functionality with additional attachments like pasta extruders, ice cream makers, and more in a variety of attractive colors further enhances its appeal. Backed by a limited 3-year warranty and BPA-free construction, the Cuisinart stand mixer excels in performance and versatility, making it a must-have for any kitchen enthusiast or professional chef.